Walang magawa, mag-aantay muna sa aking boss. They are not yet here. They are not yet here. I don't have a key because the guard was on vacation. Nalulokan na ako dito. Kasi dito ako sa parking area. See, this is a parking area and very hot. I don't have a key to get inside of the office because the guard was on vacation. So I need to wait our boss to come. I don't know what time, maybe 8 o'clock, 8:30. Oh my God. I feel so much bored. Kaya pagbigyan nyo na lang ako, guys. Ganito talaga ang buhay na. This is Dubai. I'm here in Dubai, Karama. Under parking at the office is on the second floor. So hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Naboboard na ako, guys. My gosh. Hindi ko alam kung sino kakausapin. Wala akong makausap. OMG. Mag-isa lang ako dito sa parking area. See? I'm alone. Oh my God, I'm alone. Nobody here. It's 7:45 a.m. in the morning, you know, guys. It's 7:45 a.m. It's very hot. See this one? I need to hold this because it's very hot. Ah, damn. Kantahan ko na lang kayo. Charot. Hindi ko alam kung anong kakantahin ko. My second duty was a very affected later because of these crazy people. They don't want to look for it. If they can't find it, they said no, it's not here, mom, it's not here. How can these Indian people? Oh, I'm sorry, I don't want to discriminate all people, Indian people, some of them. So I knew what to do is to wait and to wait and to wait until my bosses come. So I hope you guys can you stay with me for a while. Thank you so much for those who are watching my videos for a short video. It's a 3 minutes actually. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Yes, I'm a celebrity. Yeah.